Guys, how are y'all? I hope you're doing all good. So today's a new day, like every day, as I say always. And today is not even cold day or warm. It's all good. So yeah, and I'm in front of my two lofts, and let me show you guys how our animals, birds are doing. Our baby pigeon is there, and our rabbit is here, and think about me to let him outside. Yeah, so we'll be just releasing our rabbit in a while and feed also our little guy. And then we have these ones who are just enjoying their lives. Those two females here, these two females, like that is Red King, but he's sitting on his egg. So this female has started to sit on her nest and build their nest. They have built it, and this morning they were doing the same voice as Red King did under that his girlfriend, his mate. Yeah. So yeah. So now we're just going to go in, and I will just show you guys how they're doing. And yeah. And this guy, oh my god. And this guy, look how big poops he does. And we have to clean also this loft, but I don't know how to. So yeah, we'll just think about it. So we have to change the water, because you can see pigeons sit here and they just poop right in it. They have some seeds, you know, they have some seeds, and yeah, they threw most of the seeds on the ground, but you know, not a big problem. So Red King is sitting on the eggs there, and these two have built their own nest here, and yeah, and they've already bred, and I'm just hoping for the kids from her small eggs, babies. And guys, the small pigeons that will come out from them and them two breeding will be just so beautiful, you know. They will be just a different color, and I like that color because it's a panda type color. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. And these two are still on the ground because he just overtook this nest. Yeah, I just put some food here, you know, I just put some food here, you can see, and they ate a bit of it. They also put some, I also put some food in that, and these guys, these two ate it, because these two, when they come down to it, this guy doesn't let them eat anything. So just going to take a handful of seeds and pour them here. And the girl is always getting angry at me, so I hope they just get friends with me one day, if they want to, you know. So they have some seeds here, and yeah, I'm just hoping the babies from them. And yeah, so this is all done. We have to take this thing out, and yeah, we have to take this out, and also the water wall outside. Okay, so we're going to put water in that and put it inside again. So I'm gonna just bring some water in this bucket, and yeah, so I'm just going to bring some water in this bucket now. The water, no, from here. So you can see all those little animals inside the bucket. So first of all we have to clean it, you know. So first of all we have to clean it, and yeah, see the water like this. This clean now. I'm going to put this thing here. And now it's just a time of waiting. So yeah, just going to put it like this. And guys, I will also show you my grass that I planted there, you know. It has grown a lot. So these are the flowers. Some just died, some flower just fell off because of the rain. And yeah, so this is all the grass. It didn't die, it's still alive, and it's like growing. It's still growing. So I will be just cutting some grass from here today and giving to our rabbit because he doesn't have any grass from yesterday night to eat. We will also release our rabbit today. Oh my god. So yeah, just going to put it here, right there, and I'll flow some water because I'm not going to be able to pick that up and bring it easily up there. I'm able to pick it up, but you know, all the water will fall off. So now we have to go there and we place our bucket here. Now we're done for some days, okay? We don't need to go here and there for water. So I'm going to use this thing to bring water. Yeah. And it's clean. Also with the other one. No, that the one didn't. So yeah, it's clean. Now just going to put some water like this and place it inside their thing. And we have to put also some feed today. You can see all that feed. I'm just going to throw it like this here. I'm going to bring some feed now to put it inside there. And yeah, so let's go bring some feed now. So yeah, and we do like this. We have to go get some feed also because 10 kilograms ain't enough for them. There are still 5 kilos in there, I think 5 or 3 kilos, 4 kilos, but you know, in some whiles, in some days till finish again. I'm just going to put it like this and we're done for 1 or 2 days now. And I will just put it here, you know, because these pigeons just poop inside their food and everything, and then they eat it. So today, guys, I was thinking about cleaning all the loft, but we'll do it tomorrow because today we have to clean the rabbits one. And anyways, pigeons mostly stay in their nests, you know, and they don't roam around on the ground. So it's not a big deal if I don't clean it for the next 1 month or so. No, 1 month? No, like for 1 week or so. Yeah. So this thing go like this here. Yep. And today our pigeons will get some eggs, smashed eggs they'll get. And they really like smashed eggs, you know, those eggs, the shells, the head, they'll get these smashed in their food. So yeah, you take 1 egg, smash it and put it inside. To put it like this. And pigeons like eat it for their calcium needs, you know. Our pigeons, the 3 that I bought, those 2 up and this one, ate the shells and everything of the egg, you know, and they really liked it. So I'm just going to take out these fibers, I don't know what it's called, out of here. because pigeons are not going to eat it. It's just too big. And yeah, that's done. And I'll just put another egg, you know, because they're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 eggs in more. 11 pigeons they're going to be. And that pigeon, after he cures the one there, after he cures his pox, his pimple thing, I'll just put him also here. Oh. Yeah, and this is how we do it. So the same thing, we're going to pour it around here, take out the shells, and we're done. Like this. And we're done. I'll just put the food and water together so that they don't poop in it, you know. And yeah, and we're done for the pigeons. Now, I'll not put the cover in front because it's not going to be raining today. But in case it rains, I will just put it, you know. And now we're just going to release our rabbit. Who is here? Look, he'll just come out. He'll just come right outside. Oh, no, he didn't. So, yeah, I need to clean my hands. Also because eggs, when I smash them, they just leave their stickiness on my hands. And he's outside. Take some water. Pour it here. He's not going to go anywhere, you know. Yeah, he's just roaming around, looking the stuff from here and there. And yeah, so now I'll just take a broom, what do we call them, and clean all of this place. So I'll just show you 1, 2, and 3. I think it didn't work today. So I think I have to do it slow motion today. And I have cleaned out the loft, you guys can see from here. I'm going to close the door because the rabbit Rui is going to escape otherwise. So yeah, I've closed also Rui. She's been roaming all there, and then came around. She was running all everywhere. So I cut some grass from the thing, and you guys can see I got some grass from there, and now she's just eating it. Yeah, and our pigeon is there sitting on his own little space, and these birds are all together, you know. I don't know how, but they're all together. And the guy changed. No, and the guy is still sitting on the eggs, and the girl is just watching like an owl. And yeah, so guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. It is Aryan's Pet House, over now.